Hi guys, welcome to my life, my world, my everything. Hope everybody's doing all well. Hope everybody's doing all good. I'm not really gonna talk much. This is all about my afro today and how I achieve my fro. I'm just gonna basically stop talking and show you what I did to get this look. Alright guys. People, okay, first I'm going to just basically separate my hair. I make sure I'm finger detangling my hair, add a little bit of water. Then I'm using the Direct Leave-In Weightless Moisture Conditioner by Giovanni. Girl, this thing lather. Then I put a little bit of coconut oil and I make sure I focus more on my ends. Then I am using the Cream of Nature Pudding Perfection. Girl, I love this. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Cream of Nature Twirling Custard. If you do not like gel, you will love this. This thing smells so good, and it has like a kind of like a, I don't even know how to explain the consistency, but it's not really thick. It's just a lightweight product. Oh, I love this. I love this product so much. I love it, and it's inexpensive for a person who's like just becoming natural. You will love this. So basically, I'm just gonna be doing the same method over and over again. It's right, the stars align, and we beat past my heart. So basically, I'm just going to be raking everything through so I don't have any lines and demarcations in my fro. So every time I take out a section, I run it through the other section that I did before, so I won't have any type of demarcation. So my fro could be effortless. And then I use the OGX coconut water. Girl, this thing smells, I like coconut, I love it. It smells so refreshing and lightweight, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. And then I'm picking my hair from the roots, just lifting it up. I don't want to ruin my curls. And then I'm spraying more spray. And that's basically all I do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.